Choosing the right Wi-Fi router in 2026 can transform your internet experience completely. In this video, we explore the top 5 best Wi-Fi routers, analyzing speed, coverage, and reliability. Stay till the end to discover which router delivers unmatched performance and the best value for modern homes and smart users. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The TP-Link Archer BE230, a gateway into Wi-Fi 7 performance. The TP-Link Archer BE230 features a clean, modern design that fits easily into any home setup. Installation is simple through the TP-Link app, guiding beginners step by step. Multiple antennas and smart placement help deliver stable coverage without complicated configuration or technical knowledge required. With tri-band support and next-generation Wi-Fi 7 technology, the Archer BE230 delivers fast, consistent speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. The dedicated bands reduce congestion, while low latency ensures smoother online gaming and clearer video calls, even when many devices are connected simultaneously. Thanks to its powerful quad-core processor and generous RAM, this router manages heavy network traffic efficiently. OFDMA technology allows multiple devices to communicate at once, making it ideal for smart homes, busy families, or small offices that rely on stable, uninterrupted internet connections daily. TP-Link Home Shield adds an extra layer of protection with network scans, device identification, and parental controls. Built-in VPN server and client support enhance privacy, while quality of service tools let you prioritize important tasks like work calls or competitive gaming sessions. The Archer BE230 works with most internet service providers and supports one mesh for whole home coverage. By adding compatible extenders, users can eliminate dead zones and create a seamless network, making this router a flexible and future-ready choice for growing connectivity needs. Overall, the TP-Link Archer BE230 offers impressive Wi-Fi 7 features at a budget-friendly price, making it a smart upgrade. Number 4. The ASUS ZenWiFi BQ16 Pro, a premium mesh system designed for users who demand cutting-edge speed, massive coverage, and long-term future readiness in one powerful networking solution. The ASUS ZenWiFi BQ16 Pro delivers blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 speeds up to 30,000 Mbps using quad-band connectivity. With multi-link operation and 4096 QAM, it ensures ultra-low latency, smoother 8K streaming, faster downloads, and reliable performance for bandwidth-heavy smart homes. Powered by AI-driven A-Mesh technology, this system provides seamless whole-home coverage up to 8,000 square feet with a 2-pack setup. Intelligent backhaul optimization keeps connections stable while allowing easy expansion using other ASUS routers as your network grows over time. With Smart Home Master, users can create up to 3 SSIDs for easy IoT setup, guest access, or secure browsing. Built-in parental controls, instant VPN connections, and intuitive management tools make controlling your entire home network simple and user-friendly. 12 internal antennas and 16 high-power front-end modules work together to eliminate dead zones in every direction. Efficient heat dissipation keeps the system running reliably under heavy loads, ensuring consistent performance even with dozens of connected devices simultaneously. The ZenWiFi BQ16 Pro supports flexible WAN configurations and includes a USB port for 4G LTE or 5G mobile tethering. This allows always-on internet access, making it ideal for remote work, smart homes, and users who need maximum uptime. Overall, the ASUS ZenWiFi BQ16 Pro is a top-tier mesh system built for speed, coverage, and future-proof performance. Number 3. The TP-Link Deco BE63, a powerful Wi-Fi 7 mesh system built to deliver blazing speeds, massive coverage, and smooth connectivity for modern smart homes of all sizes. The TP-Link Deco BE63 delivers next-generation BE10000 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 speeds using multi-link operation, 4K QAM, and 320 MHz channels. With ultra-fast 6 GHz, strong 5 GHz, and reliable 2.4 GHz bands, it ensures smooth streaming, gaming, and downloads. This 3-pack mesh system blankets up to 7,600 square feet with seamless coverage while supporting more than 200 connected devices. Whether you're running smart appliances, cameras, phones, or laptops, the Deco BE63 maintains stable performance without slowdowns or frustrating dead zones. Equipped with 4 2.5 G-WAN/LAN ports and a USB 3.0 port, the Deco BE63 is built for future-proof networking. Dual wireless and wired backhaul technology work simultaneously, maximizing Wi-Fi 7 efficiency while delivering faster speeds and broader, more reliable coverage. AI-driven seamless roaming keeps all devices on a single network name, automatically connecting you to the strongest signal. TP-Link Home Shield adds real-time security, parental controls, and IoT protection, creating a safer and smarter internet experience throughout your entire home. Setup is quick and easy through the Deco app on Android or iOS. Voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant adds convenience. The system works with all ISPs and remains backward compatible with previous Wi-Fi generations for effortless integration. Overall, the TP-Link Deco BE63 stands out as an excellent mesh system combining speed, coverage, and intelligent features. Number 2. The ASUS ROG Rapture GTBE98 Pro, a high-end Wi-Fi 7 router built specifically for gamers who demand extreme speed, low latency, and rock-solid performance. The ASUS ROG Rapture GTBE98 Pro delivers beyond fast Wi-Fi 7 performance, with speeds reaching up to 30 gigabits per second. Thanks to 320 MHz channels and advanced 4096 QAM, network capacity and throughput are massively improved, ensuring ultra-smooth gaming, streaming, and downloads even under heavy traffic loads. Multi-link operation allows the router to connect across multiple bands at the same time. This intelligent technology improves stability, reduces latency, and keeps data flowing efficiently, which is crucial for competitive gaming where connection drops, lag spikes, or packet loss can ruin the entire experience. Cutting-edge external dual-feeding antennas provide stronger signal efficiency and wider coverage throughout your home. These antennas are engineered to enhance signal strength in all directions, reducing dead zones and maintaining fast, stable connections for gaming setups located far from the router. For serious gamers and streamers, the GTBE98 Pro offers exceptional wired flexibility with dual 10G ports and 4 2.5G ports. This setup supports high-speed PCs, consoles, NAS devices, and multi-gig internet plans without bottlenecks or performance compromises. ASUS triple-level game acceleration prioritizes gaming traffic from your PC's dedicated gaming port all the way to the game server. This intelligent optimization minimizes ping, reduces jitter, and delivers a competitive edge in fast-paced online games. Overall, the ASUS ROG Rapture GTBE98 Pro is a powerhouse gaming router built for elite performance, speed, and reliability. Number 1. The TP-Link Archer BE9700. Our pick for the best overall Wi-Fi 7 router, combining next-generation speed, strong coverage, advanced security, and user-friendly features for modern connected homes. The TP-Link Archer BE9700 unleashes powerful Wi-Fi 7 technology with multi-link operation, 4K QAM, and ultra-wide 320 MHz channels. It's optimized for the latest devices, delivering smoother 4K and 8K streaming, faster downloads, responsive gaming, and reliable performance across multiple connections. With 7 data streams and BE9700 tri-band speeds, this router delivers up to 765 megabits per second on 6 GHz, 882 megabits per second on 5 GHz, and 1032 Mbps on 2.4 GHz. It easily supports demanding AR, VR, and smart home workloads without congestion. Designed for large homes, the Archer BE9700 covers up to 2,600 square feet and handles up to 120 devices. 6 strategically placed antennas and beamforming technology focus signals toward hard-to-reach areas, reducing dead zones and maintaining strong, stable connections everywhere. For multi-gig users, the router includes a 10 gigabits per second WAN/LAN port, multiple 2.5 gigabits per second ports, and advanced multi-link operation. This combination ensures uninterrupted connections by intelligently combining bands for smoother performance, even while moving between rooms. TP-Link Home Shield provides robust security, parental controls, and real-time IoT protection. Setup is quick through the Tether app. and built-in VPN client and server support add privacy and flexibility without installing software on every connected device. Overall, the TP-Link Archer BE9700 stands out as a balanced, future-ready router that delivers speed, coverage, security, and ease of use in one powerful package.